Miss Kanae here. This is my labor and delivery video, or the beginning of it. I am 6 centimeters dilated and 100% effaced. I came in the hospital at 8 o'clock, like 8:10, and I was going to have a C-section. And then the doctor checked me when I was over in the C-section waiting area and told me that I was dilated and that I just want to try for the natural VBAC. So I said yes, because my whole birth plan from the beginning was to have a VBAC with this baby, but I wanted him to be born today, which is Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2013. So it looks like I'm going to get the best of both worlds. I'm going to get to vaginally have my baby, and it is on Valentine's Day. So they have me on my Pitocin. I also have my epidural. So I'm feeling good, a little sleepy. Um, I'm just eating ice chips, and so this is just basically the first half of my video. I will keep updating, and I will show the baby once he gets here. So just give you a quick show of the room, the TV, the bed for the baby when he's out. All my IV crap, and then like the little couch and everything over there. So yeah, like I said, I'm really exhausted. So I'm probably gonna try to get some sleep before he gets here, because the nurse said he'll probably be here by afternoon, being that I was 3 centimeters at 9, and then she checked me like 15 minutes ago, and I was now at 6. So um, I will keep everybody updated, and that will be the end of this video for right now.